Hello, welcome back to another episode of building this street build 370Z, the ultimate street build 370Z. We are finally fitting the wing. I will get the wing out and I will show you what wing I got. It is amazing. It is such an amazing wing. I can't wait to put it on. It's gonna take some work to get it on, but we're out here. This wing is going to change the whole look of the 370Z. That's why I took the stock wing off, because this wing needs new holes and the stock holes for the wing doesn't align, like it won't get used at all. I'll stop talking and I'll just bring the wing out. Before I do that, go ahead and smash that subscribe button down below and that like button down below, because this is going to I'm just gonna get the wing. Alright, give me 1 second. Yes, I got the 326 power wing for the 370Z. It is a genuine 326 power wing. Pretty much the only wing that I would ever go. This, or probably like a duckbill wing or something like that, just because of how it's wide enough for the rear and the fenders, and it just fits in so well. Probably gonna take a couple weekends, maybe, but yeah, we'll just work on it bit by bit, just try to get it as best as we can. I just want to give a big shout out to 326 Power Australia, New Zealand, and also Proximity Motorsports up in Queensland. Big shout out to you guys, because you guys made this happen for me. I want this to sit hanging off a little bit just so it's in line with the rear bumper. Alright, at the bottom here there's 4 mounting points. I'll probably use 2 or maybe just 1. Bolt that straight into the hatch. I'm just going to go straight into it. It is what it is. So I'm trying to put some tape down around the hatch, just where the legs are going to be, just so I can mark out where the legs will be. Mark out the legs on the masking tape with a marker. Cool, it works. Just checking. How I want to line this up is I'll probably use the front 2 holes on the legs to actually mount into here. Might use one of them, might use both, not sure. Underneath here there's the 326 logo, which is perfectly in the middle, and so we'll use that as a guide to get that center into this brake light here. That's probably my best bet. Get it centered and get the lines all centered. Yeah, I think that's good. With the rear of the 370Z, the hatch is like straight and then it curves out. What I want to do is square that off with the wing, just so it kind of levels everything out. Look at this engineering right here. Do what you gotta do, I guess. Perfect engineering. Zingineering. Zine engineering. Anyways, okay, let's move on. Don't mind me. As you can see, I've marked everything out. I've marked both legs out, centered them. I've measured from like apex here on the top to this reverse corner here. Everything is pretty good. Everything is centered. This to here is 7.5 inches. The same on the other side. I think I got it. Now I just need to mark the holes that I'll be using, and then we'll go on to actually mounting the thing. I got the inside of the legs, the inside corner of the legs, to flow with this body line here that comes on the hatch. I just found some RTV in my toolbox, which I'll use. This didn't come with any hardware or anything, but I did find some bolts that I have in my toolbox that is the same thread pitch and everything, so the holes are marked. It's very happy, as you can see. Smiley face, happy boy. I'll probably drill this top one and see if this bottom one can also fit through. So I need to open the hatch and see what holes I need to make from the inside. And so we got these holes that we can play with. The top hole, probably use this one here. I got a step drill bit. I'm just going to use this to open this hole up here. Now it's time to drill this top hole. Without any further ado, let's see how my holes are. This part, I kind of need two people. It's on. The 326 power wing is on. Oh, it's on the car. Look how gorgeous it looks. Oh my gosh. Even this side profile, like everything is good. Everything looks so good. I'm so happy. Wow. Keep watching the video to see how I complete this wing. I built a bracket. I bought a roll of this and I put them into like a triangle shape. I'll show you when I do this side. I totally forgot because I was running late. I taped a piece of sandpaper around here just to make the mold. Sticky taped it, made some holes just so I can spray some sanding foam in there. Probably spray that now and just leave it overnight. Do that side tomorrow because I need to go to a meeting on a sad day. This here is really sturdy. There's a bracket in here. It bolts into the wing and it bolts into the hatch. Yeah, I will show you when I do the other side. I could lift the hatch with this. Like, continue on tomorrow. Mount that side. Fiberglass this one. Really, really good day. First day and the wing is on the car. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, good morning. Let the expanding foam expand overnight and harden overnight, and it's pretty solid. Let's keep working on this 326 power wing and get this fitted. I've just made a bracket just like this because of where it's getting placed, so the hatch isn't completely even like that. It starts off like this and then it dips in like that. So kind of have to work around that. I just made it, it looks kind of dodgy. Get it into like that, line up the holes. So I'm only using this rear hole at the back and a rear hole here straight into the hatch. Wing off, completely off, and then drill into here. So with the expanding foam, I just wanted a base for the front to the back, just so it has that curve and just where it's gonna sit, so as fit the bolts and everything in. So at the back here, the inside wasn't filled at all, so that's why I went in and put more expanding foam in. Okay, let's start working on this one and then we'll start molding it and fiberglassing it. did a few layers on top of each other of fiberglass and resin and stuff. They only gave us one paintbrush, so that's really annoying. I gotta get another paintbrush. Takes about half an hour to set, then 24 hours to cure. So look at it, it's so sick. And then tomorrow I'll try to sand everything down, then fill it with either, if I can find fiberglass, Bondo, coat it with a filler primer, and then we're done. So we're literally almost there. We're halfway there. We're literally halfway there. So I'm going to cut it at that for this video. The next wing video, I'm going to completely finish it and have everything molded and everything ready to go, and have this on the car ready to go for the show day. So that's it for this video. Stay tuned for the next wing video when I finish this. It's half on and it already looks so freaking good. Thank you so much for watching the video, and if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button and like button down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.